Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back in Minnesota, heading west on I-94. We begin at mile 128 in the city of Sauk Center. Sauk Center has an estimated population of 4,470 as of 2018 and is the birthplace of Sinclair Lewis, a novelist and winner of the Nobel Prize in Literature. Sauk Center served as the inspiration for Gopher Prairie, the fictional setting of Lewis's 1920 novel, Main Street. A violent local incident in 1996 where an elderly citizen fatally shot 4 members of the neighboring Schlegel family over a property dispute was featured in the episode Lake of Madness on the investigation discovery series Fear Thy Neighbor. The episode aired on April 20th, 2015. We enter Todd County with an estimated population of 24,582 as of 2018. The county was created by the Minnesota Territorial Legislature on February 20th, 1855, although the county government was not organized until January 1st, 1867, with Long Prairie as the county seat. It was named for John Blair Smith Todd, who was a delegate from Dakota Territory to the United States House of Representatives and general in the Union Army during the American Civil War. Todd County has a large concentration of Amish. It is home to 5 different Amish communities with altogether 7 church districts in 2013, which indicates a total population of about 1,000 people. We've also entered West Union Township, which had a population of 312 as of the 2000 census. The township was organized in 1867. There is also a small city of West Union to the north, but I-94 does not pass through the city limits. Here at exit 114, Minnesota State Highway 27 leads to the city of Osakis to the north, and County Road 3 leads to the city of Westport. At the on-ramp, State Highway 27 West joins us for the next 14 miles, adding a third highway to the concurrency. We're now in Douglas County, which has a population of 37,964. The county was created in 1858, shortly before Minnesota attained statehood. It was named for political figure Stephen A. Douglas, who was serving as a U.S. Senator from Illinois at the time of the county's creation. The county organization was completed in 1866. Douglas County is the home of Minnesota's only wine grape appellation, the 10,880-acre Alexandria Lakes AVA, or American Viticultural Area. We're in Orange Township, which had a population of 324 at the 2000 census. Unlike the other townships we've passed through so far, there is no city of Orange here or anywhere else in Minnesota. Here, a little past mile marker 106, we stop at the Burgen Lake Rest Area for a break. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 952 road trip.